Welcome to Taylor's Tales. Today I'm going to share how to DIY to replace a washlet toilet. Learning the method allows you to enjoy a new toilet whenever you want and gain a sense of accomplishment. No matter which type of toilet you're replacing, this video will be helpful to you. First, wash the toilet you're about to replace one more time. You will see why in just a moment. Then turn off the water supply valve. If your toilet doesn't have a water supply valve, turn off your main water supply and install a water supply valve like this. Finally, confirm there is no water coming into the tank. Turn off the power if your toilet is connected with electricity. And remove the toilet seat and water tank lid. Remove the remaining water from the tank with a sponge. Next, remove the water from the toilet bowl with the same method. This is why we should clean the toilet first. Double check the tank is mostly dry and the bowl has no water. Next step is to disconnect the water supply pipe to the tank. Put the towel down before you're doing this, turning anti-clockwise with the wrench. After loosening it, you can turn the nut by hand. Let the remaining water drip on the towel. The next step is most critical. Use a blade, cut the silicone at the base. You can go around it a few more times. The toilet will then be easy to move. Separate it from the pipe at the back. After pulling it out, you can separate the tank from the base. It's much easier this way. Otherwise, it's too heavy to move. Now we can use a long neck screwdriver to loosen the screws inside the water tank, and then use the hand to undo the nuts underneath while holding the screwdriver. Once both screws are removed, the tank can be separated. Now we can easily remove the water supply hose. Now we got the screws. To undo the nuts fixed to the base, you use a screwdriver on top and a wrench underneath. It's easy. The next step is to clear the silicone on the floor. This is a new toilet. Let's open up. Look like. Wow, that looks good. This new design is different from my previous one. The water tank and the lid. Okay. This is for here, and these two going down the hole here and line up with there. This is the gasket, go between the water tank and the base. After peeling off the adhesive protection, line it up with the hole and stick it. Okay, peel off sticky tape and line it up, put it in. Very good. Now with these two screws, one on this side, and go this one, put inside the hole there. This go inside the water tank, and this will go underneath the bottom this way of the hole. Okay, all line up perfectly. Double check the screws coming through the base and put the nuts on. Make it hang tight. Okay. Hang tight. Now it's time to connect the water supply hose to the tank. Okay. The water inlet. Now measure the length between the downpipe to the wall. And also mark the downpipe where it needs to be cut. Make sure you leave 10 centimeters for overlapping. Then put the rubber sealed made for both ends. Then push this to the downpipe and keep it to the measured height. Now let's line it up. Good thing for this toilet, you can see through here whether the bottom is lined up or not. Once it's lined up, just push it in. Now we can connect the water supply and give it a test. Testing. No leaking. Before install the seat, first install the seat base to secure it. Fit it in like this. This is a very clever seat base. Make it much easier for the seat to slide it in later. Position right. 65 to this side and 65 to the other side. They're perfect. I can turn it, tighten it up. Then connect the water and the power to the seat. The rest of the job is very easy. On and see what's happening. And just slide it in like that. Perfect. Good job. Now let's put the lid on. Perfect. Not done yet. The final job is to seal the toilet base with the silicone. I use white silicone for this job. Cut the front open and join it with this, and cut a little angle on top of the teeth as well. Seal the base and smooth it with the finger. Now all done. It looks good. I'm happy with that. I really like this new toilet. It uses little water but has great flushing power. Their design has improved a lot in the last 10 years. If you have learned how to install it, you can enjoy your new toilet anytime you like. What is this? If anyone has been to Japan, won't find it strange. It's a smart washlet toilet. Let me plug it in and show you. It includes various cleaning functions, adjustable water temperature and seat temperature, air drying, sterilization, and energy-saving functions. All the features you can imagine. A sensor will pick up as soon as you sit down here. And if you press one of the washing buttons, the jet will start working. And if you leave the seat, the washing will stop automatically. Smart washlet toilets are very popular in Japan now. They even install it on Japanese airline plane and all public toilets. Our set is far from the most luxurious, but very practical. I suggest you buy the authentic Japanese brand, which lasts much longer. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like and share it to others. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to watch more high-quality videos from us. Thank you for your great support.